Warning! You're about to make a big mistake, choosing a hybrid SUV. Think all hybrids are fuel efficient? Think again. Most buyers overlook crucial details that could cost them thousands in gas, repairs, and resale value. And one SUV on this list? It's a total game changer, but almost no one knows why. Before you buy, make sure you're not falling for the hype. These 8 hybrid SUVs are the real deal, and one of them might just be your perfect match. 8. 2025 Dodge Hornet Hybrid. The 2025 Dodge Hornet Hybrid is not your average hybrid SUV. It's packing 288 horsepower. But here's the twist. This hybrid has a secret feature no one is talking about. It has a hidden power shot mode that gives you an instant 30 horsepower boost with just a flick of both paddle shifters. Think hybrids are boring? Think again. But let's talk about what really matters. Fuel efficiency. The Hornet Hybrid comes with a 12.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack that gives you 32 miles of electric driving before switching to gas. Combined, you're looking at 29 miles per gallon. Is that enough to make it worth the price? Let's break it down. Standard features include heated steering wheel and heated front seats, 18-inch wheels for a sporty look, 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, 10.3-inch infotainment system, and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, dual-zone automatic climate control, and rain-sensing wipers, automatic high-beam headlamps. But there's a catch. For all this, you're paying at least $43,240, and if you want the fully loaded version, that jumps to $48,585. And before you say, that's too much, here's something that might change your mind. The safety features, standard on all trims, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, optional adaptive cruise control with lane centering. But here's the real question. Is the Hornet Hybrid really the best hybrid SUV for your money? Or is there another hybrid that blows it out of the water? 7. 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid. If you're not ready for a full EV but still want killer fuel efficiency, the 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid could be your perfect match. But before you get too excited, there's one thing you need to know before buying. First, let's talk about power. This hybrid comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, pushing out a combined 192 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is standard, but if you want all-wheel drive, it's available as an option. But here's what really matters: the fuel efficiency. With a rating of 42 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, the Escape Hybrid is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. That means fewer stops at the gas station and more money in your pocket. So what's the catch? While the cabin is spacious and stylish, it comes with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, which, let's be honest, feels a bit small for 2025. However, you still get Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So tech-wise, you're covered. Now here's something most buyers overlook. Ford gives you an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid warranty, meaning your battery is covered for nearly a decade. But what about safety? Standard safety features include automated emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, and optional adaptive cruise control. And the price? The Escape Hybrid starts at $33,985. And if you want the fully loaded version, you'll pay up to $39,605. That's way cheaper than many hybrid competitors. But is it actually the best deal? There's another 2025 hybrid SUV that offers even more power, better tech, and insane fuel efficiency. And it's coming up next. Don't miss it. 6. 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander Hybrid. The 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander Hybrid is turning heads with its bold design and impressive tech. But does it really live up to the hype? Before you decide, here's what you need to know. First, let's talk about power. This plug-in hybrid is packing a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, boosted by 2 electric motors, delivering a solid 248 horsepower. That's way quicker than the gas-only Outlander. In fact, the Outlander Hybrid SEL can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.6 seconds. Now what about range? With a 16.8 kilowatt-hour battery, this SUV delivers up to 38 miles of pure electric driving before switching to gas. And when it does, you're looking at 25 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Not bad, but is it enough? Here's where things get interesting. Mitsubishi has finally upgraded the Outlander's interior. No more cheap plastics, now you get premium materials and an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a head-up display. Plus, check this out. Heated front seats, infotainment, base models get an 8-inch screen, but higher trims get a 9-inch touchscreen with navigation. Sound system: a 6-speaker stereo is standard, but if you want Bose quality audio, you'll need to upgrade to the 9-speaker Bose system. But what about safety? Forward collision warning and emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. And the price? The 2025 Outlander Hybrid starts at $42,145, but if you want top-tier trims, it'll cost you up to $53,355. 5. 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Think all hybrids are the same? Think again. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid isn't just another fuel-efficient SUV, it's a game changer. But here's the real shocker. Did you know the RAV4 Hybrid can drive over 40 miles without using a single drop of gas? And that's just the beginning. Let's break down what makes this hybrid SUV so special. Under the hood, Toyota packed in a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors for a total of 219 horsepower. That's more muscle than you'd expect from a fuel-sipping SUV. But here's something wild. Did you know the RAV4 Hybrid can hit 60 miles per hour in just 7.3 seconds? That's faster than some sports sedans. But speed isn't everything. What about fuel savings? Well, Toyota crushed it in that department too. And when do you need fuel? The RAV4 Hybrid still gets 41 miles per gallon city and 38 miles per gallon highway. But Toyota didn't stop at efficiency. Inside, you'll find wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and an optional 11-speaker JBL audio system. But here's the real kicker. The base model already includes a high-tech safety suite with automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control. And if that wasn't enough, Toyota even throws in free maintenance for 2 years. The price of the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid starts at $33,295 and goes up to $49,130 depending on the trim and options. 4. 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid. Stop! Most hybrid SUVs are overhyped, but this one, it's a game changer. Kia just dropped the 2026 Sportage Hybrid, and it's not what you expect. Did you know this SUV can get up to 44 miles per gallon on the highway? That's higher than some hybrid sedans. But hold on, there's more. Is this the best value hybrid SUV on the market? Or is there a major flaw Kia doesn't want you to know about? Let's find out. Power and performance. Under the hood, Kia did something bold. They combined a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine with 2 electric motors for a total of 231 horsepower. That's more power than most competitors. This hybrid launched from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds. For a compact SUV, that's seriously impressive. But what about efficiency? This is where it gets crazy. Insane fuel economy. Is it too good to be true? The front-wheel drive version of the Sportage Hybrid is rated for 42 miles per gallon in the city and 44 miles per gallon on the highway. That means you could drive over 500 miles on a single tank of gas. Kia's biggest upgrade yet? Step inside, and this is where Kia flexes hard. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen, standard. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, also standard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you got it. And for the first time ever, Kia offers an optional head-up display and an improved highway driving assist system for smoother long drives. But here's where things get really interesting. The one thing buyers might regret. With all these upgrades, you'd expect a sky-high price, right? Wrong. The base model starts around $30,000, but here's the secret. The EX trim is the sweet spot. For a few grand more, you get wireless charging, heated front seats, that massive 12.3-inch infotainment upgrade. The 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid is fast, fuel-efficient, and packed with tech. But is it better than the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid? 3. 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. Mazda just did something no one saw coming. They took the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid's powertrain and slapped it under the hood of their new 2025 CX-50 Hybrid. But here's the real question. Did Mazda just create the best hybrid SUV of the year? Or is this just a RAV4 knockoff? Mazda's secret weapon? Under the hood, Mazda borrowed a proven formula. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors cranking out 219 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour? 7.6 seconds. That's fast for a hybrid SUV. But here's the twist. Even though it's built on Toyota's system, Mazda made some surprising tweaks that changed the way this SUV drives. More on that in a second. Fuel economy. The EPA rates it at 38 miles per gallon combined, with 39 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Interior and tech? Step inside. And this is where the CX-50 hybrid stands out. Mazda focused on premium materials, black leather with contrast stitching, standard. Heated front seats and an 8-way power driver's seat, standard. A massive 10.3-inch infotainment display, you guessed it, standard. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a wireless charging pad, and USB-C ports. The one feature that might annoy buyers. Even though Mazda packed the CX-50 hybrid with tech and luxury, rear seat space is below average for this class. That means if you have taller passengers or need extra cargo space, this might not be the best hybrid SUV for you. But if premium feel and driving dynamics are your priority, this might be your best bet. Starting at $35,840, the CX-50 hybrid is slightly more expensive than its competitors. But Mazda is targeting premium buyers who want a luxury hybrid without paying luxury brand prices. 2. 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Hyundai's 2025 Tucson Hybrid just got a huge upgrade. But is it enough? Hyundai is shaking up the hybrid SUV market with the new 2025 Tucson Hybrid, and they've made some big changes. New grille, new tech, more power. But here's the real question. The turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder teams up with an electric motor to deliver 231 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque in the hybrid model. But if you go for the plug-in hybrid, you get 268 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful hybrid SUVs in its class. 0 to 60 miles per hour, faster than most competitors thanks to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And get this, all-wheel drive is standard. Hyundai's secret weapon? Fuel efficiency. The Tucson Hybrid gets up to 38 miles per gallon city and 38 miles per gallon highway, making it one of the most efficient hybrid SUVs you can buy. But here's where it gets interesting. If you opt for the plug-in hybrid, you get 33 miles of all-electric driving range, plus a 7.2 kilowatt onboard charger that fully recharges the battery in just 2 hours with a level 2 charger. You could drive most of your daily commute without using a single drop of gas. For 2025, Hyundai gave the Tucson a serious glow-up. New grille design with wider bumpers, streamlined front and rear lighting, sportier N-line trim with exclusive 19-inch wheels, dark chrome accents and panoramic sunroof. Interior and tech? Step inside. New dual-screen 12.3 inches infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bose premium sound system, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and ambient lighting. The one big drawback, before you get too excited, there's one issue that might make you think twice. While the Tucson Hybrid is packed with tech and efficiency, some drivers have reported that the 6-speed automatic transmission isn't as smooth as Toyota's eCVT system. So the real question is, does the power and features outweigh the slightly different driving feel? Price? Starting at $34,510, the Tucson Hybrid is competitively priced, with the top-tier models reaching $48,485. But is it the best hybrid SUV for your money? 1. 2025 Honda CR-V. Is this the king of compact SUVs? The Honda CR-V Hybrid has been a fan favorite for years, but for 2025, Honda has taken things to the next level. More power, more tech, better fuel efficiency. But is it really the best hybrid SUV on the market? Or is Honda just playing it safe? Stick around, because you need to see what they changed. The 2025 CR-V Hybrid is more powerful than ever. 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine plus 2 electric motors, 204 horsepower, 14 more than the non-hybrid model. Sport Touring Hybrid, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.9 seconds. That's quick for a hybrid SUV, and it means you'll have plenty of power for highway merges and city driving. But here's where Honda plays it smart. They prioritized fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Can it beat Toyota and Hyundai? Honda is flexing its hybrid muscle with some insane fuel economy numbers. 43 miles per gallon city, 36 miles per gallon highway, all-wheel drive models, slightly lower, but still incredibly efficient. You'll save hundreds of dollars on gas every year. Honda has stepped up their interior game big time. High-quality materials, even on lower trims, sport touring, leather seats, and stylish honeycomb texture trim, upgraded infotainment, 9-inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda's infotainment system is smooth and responsive. Safety. Honda doesn't mess around when it comes to safety. Standard lane keep assist and lane departure warning. Standard automated emergency braking. Standard blind spot monitoring. And if you go for the top trim, you get even more advanced safety features. Price: the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid starts at $35,700 and tops out at $42,150. That's right in line with the competition. But is it the best hybrid SUV for your money? Is the CR-V Hybrid the new king? Or does the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid still hold the crown? So there you have it, 8 of the best hybrid compact SUVs that are redefining efficiency and performance in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. And before you go, don't miss my next video on Stop Believing These 12 Fuel Myths. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.